Alright, so the orange didn't work so good, so we're gonna just paint it blue. What the?
Did you just blow it towards yourself?
Maybe.
Turn your finger. Turn your finger.
Don't do that. That don't work good. Yeah, it's really cold. Ow. Okay. Maybe use this do like that. Oh, the trigger is sticky.
I hope we can pull the trigger in after this.
Yeah, I taped it all up. Oh, and tape everything you don't want to get painted. So, like, tape over your trigger, your sights, so they don't get all messed up and you can't see it.
Crusty, especially the trigger. Ooh, the top. Ooh. Get this thorough. Oh, Lord.
What if you ran out of blue paint?
Oh, hey, it's not my gun, so why do I care? I just go buy more, actually.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Just paint the whole gun.
That's good.
Or you gotta put that in there.
Uh-huh, go.
Alright, so now we're gonna take the tape off. We already did the other side, so we didn't show it to you, but you should have seen all my last D36.
What are you doing? Oh, chrome.
You need help or no?
No. Wait, maybe, I don't know. It could take a while.
I'll start at the top.
I want to take the flashlight off, though. That kinda looks sick.
Probably the person that they're up there, Lewis will probably go out and put up gas on and set them on fire.
Alright, so as you can see here, we finished the P90. Took all the tape off. It looks pretty sweet. And we were gonna put orange. Yeah, that turned out like crap. So he just went with blue tiger. As you can see, we did tape up the trigger so we could actually pull it back. And I didn't cover the where the magazine goes. Make sure you cover where the BBs go and any of your sights and flashlight. Just had to do it.
Wait, what? What's the flashlight?
Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave your comments.